Hello, welcome to the Mobile Marketing Innovations Podcast, where we explore the latest trends and strategies shaping the future of mobile advertising in just 3 minutes. I'm your host Kusuma Jairam, and in today's episode, we will dive into the some most exciting innovations in mobile marketing. AR is a revolutionizing the way brands engage with consumers on mobile devices. With AR, companies can create immersive experiences that allow users to interact with products in real time, enhance their shopping experience, and increasing brand loyalty from virtual try on features for cosmetics and clothing to interactive product demonstrations. AR is unlocking new possibilities for mobile marketing. Next up, let's talk about personalized messaging. Gone are the days of generic mass emails and text blasts. Today's consumers expect personalized communications tailored to their preferences and behaviors. By leveraging data analytics and artificial intelligence, marketers can deliver hyper targeted messages that resonate with individual users, driving higher engagement and conversation rates. Another game changer in mobile marketing is the rise of chatbots and conversational AI. These intelligent bots are transforming customer services by providing instant support and guidance through messaging apps. By integrating chatbots in their mobile marketing strategy, brands can deliver personalized assistance around the clock, improving the overall customer experience and driving sales. Last but not least, let's discuss the power of influencer marketing on mobile platforms. Social media influencers have become key players in digital advertising, with millions of followers eager to hear their recommendations. By partnering with relevant influencers, brands can reach their audience and build credibility in their niche, ultimately driving sales and brand awareness. And that's wrap up for today's episode of Mobile Marketing Innovations. We have covered just a few of the many exciting advancements reshaping the landscape of mobile advertising. Join us next time as we continue to explore the latest trends and strategies in the world of mobile marketing. Until then, keep innovating and leveraging the power of mobile to connect with your audience in meaningful ways. Thank you for tuning in.